The first thing we need while going shopping is a list. The list will keep us on track and help us stay focused. In order to build bodies like our favorite anime characters, we have to have food to fuel that muscle growth. Eating is just as important as training your body. Just ask Goku. Training non-stop without fueling our bodies will just make us look like deflated All Might. Don't be deflated All Might. Instead, be muscular All Might. Now that we collected all of our ingredients, it's time to prepare our food. Try to have all of your seasoning and spices on hand to try to prevent cross-contamination with the raw meat. In order to keep things simple for those of you who struggle in the kitchen like me, we're going to use simple seasoning such as garlic, pepper, salt, and lemon. One hack to prevent your rice from sticking is to place a cap full of olive oil in the water. Other than that, the rice will pretty much cook itself, but if you're really struggling, get a rice cooker. Even though she's not associated with being one of the most muscular characters, even Sailor Moon knows what's up. An important aspect of any diet is going to be balance. Preferably, you'd like to have a protein, a carb, and a healthy fat source. Even when it's lean, chicken will normally have small amounts of fat. It only took us 20 minutes and our meal is complete. Throw a little sriracha on that bad boy and go to work.